Okay, it's 2:00. Let's go ahead and call to order. Let's do the roll call. Mayor Pro-tem Pam Plaza.
Plaza here.
Okay. Bill Riker.
Bill Riker, present.
Thank you. Pat Huddleston. Pat Huddleston, if you're on, you may need to unmute.
I don't think she is.
I don't think
Okay.
she's on.
Okay. Pat's absent. Jim Blair.
Jim's here.
Okay, and this is Don Topper. I'm here. We do have a quorum. Let's start going through this. There is no old business, and there is really no new business to go through. We don't have any resolutions to go through. Need to approve the agenda. Do we have a motion to approve?
Bill Riker.
I motion to approve
Okay.
Pam Plaza.
Okay, I think Bill got in first. Pam, do you want to second it?
I'll second.
Okay, thank you.
Plaza second.
Okay, thank you. Is there any discussion on the agenda? If not, then we'll go ahead and vote. Pam Plaza, how do you vote to approve?
I vote aye. To approve.
Bill Riker?
Aye.
Thank you,
Bill
Pam.
Riker
Bill,
votes aye.
thank you. Jim Blair?
Jim Blair votes aye.
And this is Don Topper. I vote aye. We need to get a motion to approve the 4/28 Assembly meeting minutes. Do we have a motion to approve?
I move to approve.
Thank you, Jim. Do we have a second?
Bill Riker, I'll second.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, I skipped over the mayor's announcements. I have a couple of announcements. Let's finish the vote on that. Bill voted to approve. Jim Blair?
Approve.
This is Don Topper. I vote aye. Motion passes the assembly meeting minutes. Oh, I thought
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, Pam. Did I not call your name to vote?
Did we all do it already? I can't remember.
I think we did.
Yeah, we did.
I think we did. Okay, so the motion passes. I'm going to step back to the mayor's announcements. At the county commission meeting last night, they passed a resolution to ban all fireworks in the county and any open flames. What you can do is use a gas grill where you won't have sparks or embers coming out of it. And on our fire, we're at 92% contained, still about the same size over the last week. And they're working on the bear actions to recover the land out there. The Hermit's Peak fire is continuing to grow. I noticed they've got over, I believe, 3,000 people working on it now. But I also noticed that they issued about 2 days ago evacuation orders for the communities up in the Pecos Canyon. I remember Holy Ghost was on there, Trace Lagunas. So it looks like we're getting smoke over. I mean, it's starting to head over in that direction. Carson, Santa Fe, and the, let's see, the Carson, Santa Fe, and, I'm trying to think. Basically, the mountains over the Sandias are all closed, as well as all of the East Mountain open spaces. So it's still dry out there. We're fortunate. Looks like our fire is getting pretty well maintained, but the black fire down in the Gila Mountains is now up over 175,000 acres, and it's only 13% contained. And yesterday, while we were at the county commission meeting, they had a fire breakout in the Bosque over towards I-40, and they finally got it under control, but it burned 30 acres down there. I think Cochiti Fire and EMS responded to it, along with, obviously, Sandoval County, and I'm sure Bernalillo County. Okay, that's really the only announcements. Treasurer's report, Marsha.
Okay. Let me get it pulled up. All right. Can everyone see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. For the taxes collected as of 4/30, for the current year, we collected a total of $63,765.57. For prior year taxes and penalties and interest, we collected $10,780.74 for a total of $74,546.31, all of which is 100% of the year's budget. The cash balance for the general fund is $448,868.99. I did again post that we have paid DKN $268,000 so far, which is half of that contract. They'll be finishing up in June, and we'll be paying the rest of that to them at that time. The Raymond James account has $424,803.82. For EMS, the bank balance was $116,271.37. Ambulance revenue collected was $66,855.84. Wildland fire collected was $160,936.91. For the fire department, their cash balance was $55,481.51. That's it for the numbers. The COVID count, according to what the state has, is up to 31. I suspect there's probably really more because a lot of people are self-testing and it's not getting turned into the state. These new variants are very contagious, but the symptoms seem to be a lot less difficult. So you can have it and not really know it, basically. So anybody with any kind of health issues definitely should be careful because it's out there everywhere.
Marsha, I have a question.
Okay.
Marsha, how did we collect more taxes than was budgeted?
Well, the budget number is not the entire amount that's due because we know we're not going to get it all. So we budget what we are comfortable that we think we're going to collect, and the rest of it is over and above.
Okay.
Basically, we got lucky, Jim.
Excuse me.
Basically, we got lucky. Several years ago, we used to budget at 100% and never came in at 100%.
Got it.
This is Dolly. I want to just put this out there that one of the main reasons that we have done so well, I think it is the main reason, is Marsha Perkins' diligence to collecting the money. She goes the extra mile to work with people, and she's very approachable. So people that have not paid in the past have paid.
Oh, that's
so
good.
We owe a big attagirl to Marsha.
Attagirl.
Attagirl.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dolly.
Much
for that.
appreciated.
That's good. Because I don't remember us ever collecting what was budgeted in the past, let alone over it. Ever.
Yep.
So, okay. You want to flip back to the agenda?
Oh,
Unless you had something else to add. I'm sorry, Marsha.
no, I didn't have anything else I needed to add.
Okay.
I may have closed it. Hold on. No, there it is.
I think we only need to announce the date of the next meeting and then for
Can
the
you
good
see
of the order. Sure, I do. So, next assembly meeting is June 23rd, 2022. For the good of the order, does anyone have anything that they would like to add or bring up? Okay, it appears not. Do we have a motion to adjourn?
I motion to adjourn Tam Plaza.
Thank you, Pam.
Bill Riker, I'll second.
Okay, thank you, Bill. Let's do the vote on it. Pam Plaza, how do you vote?
I vote aye, Tam Plaza.
Thank you. Bill Riker,
Bill Riker, votes aye.
Jim Blair,
Jim Blair votes aye.
and this is Don Topper. I vote aye. So the meeting's going to be adjourned. This is the fastest meeting we've ever had, 11 minutes.
New record.
Pam, I hope that was fast enough for you.
Yeah, it was. I got to be on another Zoom at 3. That's why I was like, oh, ow.
Okay. Okay,
Thanks,
everybody have a good afternoon and a good weekend.
You too.
Bye-bye.
You too.
All right,
Bye.
thanks. Bye-bye.